Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Honorable Principal, admirable teachers, and my sweet colleagues, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am really grateful to you all for giving me a good opportunity to deliver my speech on the topic value of time. Time is a very precious thing in our life. Time is something we should never waste in any way. We can spend a lot of time doing various works, but we can never get back the time we spent. That's why most of the successful people consider time as more important and valuable than money. We all should utilize our time in productive ways. If you master the technique of managing time, you can achieve anything in your life. Mr. President, we all know about the proverb, time and tide waits for none. It is likely to our lives. We all should think that the time we get is an opportunity to grab our well future. We should teach our younger ones also about the value of time. Utilizing time for our loved ones also helps us in the society to grow towards a superior one. The best and most effective ways of utilizing time are setting goals, making work lists, prioritizing tasks, and having a good sleep. The proverb killing time is not murder, it's a society is applicable for those who don't understand the value of time and don't respect it. Mr. President, there are people too who give excuses for not completing work, like they don't have time. But in fact, they don't know how to manage the time. None of us can predict our future. That's why we should work hard from now and complete all our tasks on time to make our future bright. Mr. President, a student who knows how important time is for his life can succeed in future and lead a disciplined life. The success or failures of our lives depends on the work done on time. Therefore, we should use our time properly because time is very precious and valuable. Finally, I want to finish my speech by a Chinese proverb that an inch of time is an inch of gold. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time by an inch of gold. Thank you.